Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on a 2019 Toyota Rav4. So the airbox has two clips, one right here and one over here. And then the airbox can lift up. So I have the K&N filter here. If you have one of these, obviously don't throw it out. It's supposed to be just to be cleaned, but the drying process takes a long time, so I'm going to be replacing it for now with the OEM filter, and this is going to be the part number right here. It's 17801F0050. Here's a new filter. We're just going to go ahead and slide this on in. One thing I found super helpful to undo are the two clips here and then the connector, followed by the vacuum line here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you just removing that. This vacuum line just pulls right off. And then the connector over here. It's a little difficult, but with a small pick you can help guide that clip out. And then this clip, you just pick up on the tab, it slides right out. And now you have a lot of space to go ahead and lift this airbox on up. And you can easily slide in the air filter. Now the only thing left to do when you go to put this back on is these two tabs here need to go in the slots. So you just have to aim those in first and then seat it on down. And that's it. So it's really easy to change out the engine air filter. Just simple clips, no tools required other than a small pick if you want to undo this. So if you learned something, if I helped you save some money, please consider subscribing and check out my other videos I have posted, including more maintenance from the Toyota Rav4. So share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel as well, and I'll see you in the next one.